Welcome back, guys. Now we are going to print these patterns, this one, and this one. Now if you haven't seen our last video, then I am leaving a link in the description. Do check it out. We will be starting from there. Now let's see. This was the program that we left the last day. All we need to do is make a few changes to this. We will again modify the print statement. We will add an A. Now we need to replace the D here with C, as we are printing characters now. And I will add I -1. Now if we dry run this, we will be able to see that for I equal to 1, this value becomes 1. So A plus 0 will give us A. Now if we add for the next loop, when I is equal to 2, so it will be A plus 1, which is B. So we are using the basically the ASCII values here to get the different numbers, I mean the characters. So let's run this. And we got that pattern. Now for the next pattern, we need to make a small change here. We are going to just replace the I with J here, and that will give us the next pattern. Now for the last one. Now this one we will again be using integer outputs, so we replace that with D. Now here is a catchy thing. You need another character, another variable for this one, because that's a static loop. You have to print only 4 lines. So we will change this and we will delete these because we don't need the number of input lines from the user. Now we will have to add a bracket here, as we are using a multi-line for loop now. And we will initialize the counter here, count equal to 1. So every time it will be printing 1, 2, 3 and likewise. And now we are increasing the pointer counter inside the for loop, inner for loop. We will print. If we print count, then we will. Okay, let me show you what we get. If we print count, then we are going to get something like this. Now there is a 10 here. We need 0 here. Now how to solve that problem? Let's see. Instead of writing count here, if we write count mod 10. Now mod basically gives us the remainder. So if we for values of count from 1 to 9, they will be divided by 10 and the remainder will be shown, which is 1 to 9, the numbers itself. Like if we divide 1 by 10, where the remainder is 1, so the pattern will print like itself. Now for the value 10, when it is divided by 10, the remainder is 0, so we will be getting a 0 in that position. So now let's run this, and there it is, guys. So these are more or less all the left aligned patterns that we usually get. If you have any other pattern that comes to your mind, do mention in the comments. We will try to make a video on that. In the next video, we will continue with the left aligned triangles. Hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks, guys.